of years. These relentless mergers have shaped its elliptical form and led to the near cessation of star formation. Most of its stellar population is over 10 billion years old, giving the system a distinct yellowish hue. The absence of cold gas prevents new stars from forming, while its hot ionized material emits X-rays, detectable by space observatories such as Chandra and XMM Newton. The massive halo surrounding this galactic colossus extends well beyond its visible boundaries, composed of stars, gas, and dark matter. It also contains intracluster light, a faint glow produced during past collisions. These remnants serve as a testament to the interactions that have shaped this celestial Leviathan over cosmic time, ensuring its continued evolution within the vast Abell 2029 cluster. The study of this stellar giant and its counterparts provides invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies on a grand scale. As one of the most massive and luminous systems in the observable universe, it challenges our understanding of galactic growth. The role of environment, dark matter, and supermassive black holes in shaping such extraordinary structures remains a central focus of contemporary astrophysics, often referred to as the Titan of galaxies. This ancient behemoth continues to inspire awe, prompting further exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos, situated in the dense environment of the Abell 2029 cluster. This colossal system serves as a natural laboratory for studying the interplay between galaxies and their surroundings. The cluster's intracluster medium are hot, X-ray emitting plasma interacts with the giant elliptical, influencing its evolution and that of its satellite galaxies. Gas stripped from smaller neighbors through ram pressure interactions enriches the medium, contributing to the overall complexity of the system. These processes highlight the dynamic nature of galaxy clusters, where gravitational forces and high-energy phenomena shape the universe on vast scales, beyond its scientific significance. This cosmic monarch serves as a reminder of the diversity and scale of the universe. Its immense size and central location within the Abell 2029 cluster make it a prominent cosmic landmark, a beacon of light visible across hundreds of millions of light years. Observing this galactic titan provides a glimpse into the distant past, offering insights into the intricate interplay of forces that have shaped the cosmos. As research progresses, this ancient colossus and its analogues will remain pivotal to our quest for understanding the universe, offering a window into its boundless possibilities. The giant elliptical of Abell 2029 continues to intrigue astronomers with its sheer scale and complex history. This celestial titan, alternatively called the Abell 2029 core galaxy, stands as a testament to the immense forces at play in the universe. Measuring over 6 million light-years across, it dominates its galactic cluster in both size and influence, earning titles such as the Colossus of Virgo in astronomical discussions. This supergiant has undergone countless mergers, consuming smaller galaxies in a process that has shaped its current structure. Each interaction has added stars and gas, further enriching the galactic core. This relentless process, known as galactic cannibalism, underscores the dynamic interactions within dense cosmic environments. At its heart lies a supermassive black hole of extraordinary proportions, sometimes referred to as the gravitational anchor of Abell 2029, with a mass surpassing 40 billion suns. It is among the largest ever detected, governing the motions of stars and gas within the galaxy, while exerting influence on the broader cluster environment. The intense gravitational field of this singularity contributes to the galaxy's luminous core, radiating across vast distances, earning it epithets such as the light beacon of Virgo. The stellar population of this ancient colossus is predominantly old and yellowish, characteristic of elliptical galaxies. Most stars within this vast system exceed 10 billion years in age, marking a galaxy that has long since exhausted its supply of cold gas necessary for star formation. Instead, the stellar graveyard of Abell 2029 glows faintly with a golden hue, a visual indicator of its advanced evolutionary stage. Surrounding this interstellar monarch is a vast halo of dark matter and interstellar material, often termed the cosmic veil of Abell 2029, extending far beyond its visible boundaries. This halo influences the cluster's gravitational dynamics. Within it, intra-cluster light, a faint glow from stars stripped from their original galaxies, adds an ethereal quality to the region. These orphan stars, drifting through the intergalactic sea, serve as evidence of the violent history of galactic interactions that have defined the Abell 2029 monarch. The surrounding environment of this galactic elder is rich with X-ray emissions, a consequence of the hot plasma filling the Abell 2029 cluster. These high-energy phenomena, observable by Chandra and XMM Newton, reveal the turbulent conditions within the X-ray furnace of this dense system. Interactions with the cluster's tidal forces strip gas from smaller galaxies, enriching the intra-cluster medium and fueling the ongoing evolution of this cosmic giant. Studying this luminous elder of the universe provides unparalleled insights into galaxy formation and evolution. As one of the largest known galactic structures, it serves as a crucial subject for exploring extreme cosmic phenomena. The role of supermassive black holes, dark matter, and galactic mergers in shaping such immense systems remains a fundamental question in astrophysics. With the clusters of Abell 2029 offering valuable clues, despite its age and apparent dormancy in star formation, this golden Leviathan continues to exert significant influence on its surroundings. Its gravitational pull dictates the movements of satellite galaxies and contributes to the broader dynamics of the Abell 2029 cluster. As the gravitational heart of Virgo giant exemplifies the scale and power of cosmic structures, a reminder of the vast forces governing the universe. This eternal sentinel of the Virgo supercluster, sometimes referred to as the cosmic giant, stands as a silent witness to nearly the entire history of the universe. With an unfathomable size, this ancient behemoth has absorbed and consumed countless smaller galaxies, preserving a vast record of cosmic evolution within its structure. At its core lies a supermassive black hole of unimaginable scale, often described as the abyssal king or the dark heart of Abell 2029. With a mass exceeding 40 billion suns, its gravitational pull is so intense that even light struggles to escape. The energy released by matter spiraling into this behemoth generates a luminous halo of X-rays, an eerie beacon that signals its presence across intergalactic space. This singularity, the cosmic anchor, dictates the structure of its host galaxy, binding stars and dark matter in an unending gravitational dance. The luminous behemoth stands as a monument to galactic cannibalism, a relentless cosmic predator. Over billions of years, it has consumed not just few, but potentially thousands of smaller galaxies, merging their stars, gas, and dark matter into its sprawling form. These ancient collisions, some violent and others gradual, have left imprints across its vast halo, a graveyard of shattered galactic identities. Each merger has been a step toward its immense scale, making it one of the largest galaxies ever observed, often described as the universal apex. It represents the ultimate fate of many evolving galaxies. Despite its outward stillness, this silent monarch is far from dormant. While its visible light radiates a golden hue, a testament to its aging stellar population, its hidden layers remain active. X-ray telescopes reveal a sea of hot plasma permeating the intracluster medium, a cauldron of gas stripped from neighboring galaxies via gravitational interactions. This invisible fire glows in high-energy wavelengths, exposing the turbulent forces shaping the Abell 2029 cluster. The galaxy's cosmic shroud, an immense halo extending beyond its core, envelops countless orphan stars. These unbound celestial wanderers drift aimlessly through the cluster, their faint collective glow known as intracluster light, preserving the story of ancient galactic violence and ongoing cosmic evolution. Here, in the interplay of light and shadow, like countless mergers, some unfolding over millions of years, others in cataclysmic bursts. Yet, it is not only its scale that makes this stellar colossus remarkable. It challenges fundamental understandings of the universe itself. How did such a massive structure form? What are the limits of galactic growth? These unanswered questions push astronomers to look deeper into the void, searching for clues within the glow of this cosmic elder. Its existence certs, despite its apparent stillness. The universe is an ever-evolving place of energy, motion, and transformation. The role of dark matter in shaping this cosmic sovereign cannot be overstated. Without this enigmatic, unseen force, its vast mass would not remain intact. Scientists theorize that this dark empire of the cosmos is encased in a titanic dark matter halo, stretching far beyond its luminous boundaries. This invisible structure not only binds its stars together, but also dictates the motion of galaxies within the Abell 2029 cluster. Studying dark matter in such a monumental system provides essential insights into the forces that govern the universe on the largest scales. Perhaps most hauntingly, this eternal giant offers a glimpse into the ultimate fate of galaxies like our own. Over billions of years, as galaxies collide and merge, they gradually lose their distinct forms, their spirals fading into smooth, featureless ellipses filled with aging stars. In this way, the timeless serves as a harbinger of cosmic inevitability, offering a vision of what the Milky Way and its neighbors may one day become. Yet, despite its dominance, even this galactic juggernaut is not eternal. The universe's expansion will eventually isolate it, as neighboring galaxies recede beyond the observable horizon. Trapped in an ever-growing void, this universal crisis will gradually dim, its stars burning out, leaving behind a cold, dark remnants. But for now, it remains a beacon of knowledge, a living relic of the universe's tumultuous past, the ancient monarch of about 2029, one of the grandest elliptical galaxies ever discovered, is more than a single entity. It is a microcosm of cosmic history, every star within its vast expanse, every faint whisper of gas, every drifting shadow of dark matter holds a story spanning billions of years. This stellar labyrinth challenges our perceptions of time and space, inviting us to unravel its secrets, while reminding us of the universe's boundless complexity. The sheer magnitude of this galactic behemoth, sometimes called the infinite tapestry of Virgo, places it in a class of its own, spanning over 6 million light-years in diameter. It could only have formed in one of the densest and oldest galactic environments. The Bell 2029 cluster, a gravitational cauldron housing thousands of galaxies, provided the ideal conditions for such a titan to emerge. Often referred to as the cosmic overlord, this dominant force at the cluster's core sculpts the motions of stars, gas, and galaxies across millions of light years. At its center lies its most mysterious and formidable feature, a supermassive black hole of unimaginable scale. Sometimes called the cosmic abyss, this gravitational Leviathan is not merely a point of intense mass, it is a dynamic engine, consuming matter and unleashing vast amounts of energy through radiation and relativistic jets. These jets, stretching for hundreds of thousands of light years, act as cosmic lighthouses, visible across intergalactic distances. They also reshape the surrounding environment, heating nearby gas and preventing it from cooling into new stars. The intricate relationship between this dark heart and its host galaxy is one of the many puzzles astronomers seek to unravel. The Virgo Colossus, with its ancient history and staggering scale, continues to intrigue scientists, offering a glimpse into the most extreme conditions the cosmos can produce. Every observation of this celestial titan deepens our understanding of the vast and evolving universe, reinforcing its place as one of the greatest galactic wonders ever discovered. This galaxy, sometimes poetically called the eternal jewel of the universe, stands as a relic of a bygone era, a testament to the cycle of galactic life and death across cosmic time scales. Its stars, predominantly ancient, resemble the dim embers of once bright stellar populations, collectively known as the Golden Veil of Abell 2029. These aging stars give the system its characteristic yellowish hue. The absence of young blue stars confirms that star formation within this stellar mausoleum ceased long ago, leaving behind a tranquil but enduring celestial giant. Yet, for all its apparent serenity, this universal titan bears visible scars of its violent past. Faint trails of intracluster light, drifting remnants of past galactic collisions, surround it like ghostly echoes of long-lost galaxies. These orphan stars, stripped from their original homes, now drift aimlessly in the gravitational tides of the cluster. Observing this cosmic haze allows astronomers to reconstruct the history of mergers that have fed this stellar behemoth over billions of years. Each dim glow represents more than just a star, it is a lost galaxy, long since absorbed into the greater whole. The surrounding environment, often called the fiery realm of Abell 2029, is a place of extreme conditions. The intracluster medium, a searing plasma heated to tens of millions of degrees, fills the space between galaxies. This inferno is a direct result of gravitational energy released during galactic interactions. As smaller systems are drawn into the gravitational of the cluster's core, their gas is stripped away, enriching the scorching medium. These processes shape not only the cluster's fate, but also the continued evolution of this cosmic monarch. The story of this interstellar giant unfolds across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves reveal vast lobes of relativistic particles, remnants of past outbursts from its central black hole. Infrared surveys uncover traces of dust silent, echoes of an era when star formation was still possible. Every wavelength of light paints a different portrait, offering astronomers a multifaceted view of this infinite expanse of a Bell 2029. Yet, the greatest mystery of this silent king of clusters lies in what cannot be seen: dark matter. The invisible substance that dominates the universe's mass plays a fundamental role in its structure. Without an immense dark matter halo encasing this stellar Leviathan, its gravitational influence could not hold such a sprawling structure. Together, this invisible crown extends well beyond the galaxy's visible boundaries, binding not only its stars, but also anchoring the entire Bell 2029 cluster. The timeless colossus is more than just a relic. It is a symbol of the universe's relentless expansion. As space itself stretches, galaxies grow more isolated. One day, far in the future, the Bell 2029 cluster will drift so far from its cosmic neighbors that it will become an island of light in an otherwise unreachable void. The stellar empire will remain, but its surroundings will fade into darkness, a sobering reminder of the inexorable forces shaping the cosmos. Yet, in its present form, the eternal beacon of Virgo continues to shine, offering humanity a glimpse into the ultimate limits of galactic evolution. It stands as both a challenge and an inspiration, a cosmic enigma urging astronomers to push the boundaries of knowledge. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this cosmic colossus, deepening our understanding of the largest and most ancient structures in the universe, the primordial sovereign of Bell 2029, sometimes called the cosmic monarch of Virgo, is not merely a passive relic, it is a living record of the universe's history. Every star in its vast expanse, every whisper of gas, and every drifting shadow of dark matter tells a story spanning billions of years. This stellar labyrinth challenges our perceptions of time and space, inviting us to decipher its secrets and reminding us of the infinite complexity of the cosmos. The sheer size of this galactic behemoth, sometimes described as the infinite tapestry of Virgo, places it in a category of its own. Spanning over 6 million light years, it exists only in the densest and most ancient galactic environments. The Abell 2029 cluster, a gravitational cauldron of thousands of galaxies, provided the perfect conditions for such a titan to emerge. At the heart of this vast system, the cosmic overlord dominates its region, its gravity shaping the motions of galaxies, stars, and gas across an immense scale. For all its grandeur, this celestial titan is not an immortal entity. One day, its stars will fade, its black hole will quiet, and its surroundings will slip beyond the cosmic horizon. But for now, it remains a beacon of knowledge, a monument to the forces that have sculpted the universe. Studying this stellar Leviathan continues to challenge and refine our understanding of how galaxies live, evolve, and ultimately face their cosmic fate. The environment of the celestial monarch is one of extremes. The Abell 2029 cluster, a dense conglomeration of galaxies, is suffused with hot plasma that radiates X-rays detectable by telescopes like Chandra. This cosmic furnace is fueled by gas stripped from smaller galaxies as they pass through the cluster, compressed and heated by gravitational forces. These interactions enrich the intracluster medium, creating the high-energy conditions necessary for sustained X-ray emissions. For now, this timeless sentinel stands as a reminder of cosmic grandeur, a testament to the past, a guide to the present, and a vision of the universe's inevitable fate. Despite its eventual fate, the universal titan remains a source of inspiration and discovery, challenging our understanding of the cosmos. Each new observation brings us closer to uncovering not only the nature of this galactic giant, but also the fundamental forces that shape the universe itself. The primordial colossus, sometimes revered as the king of galactic giants, stands as a monument to the immense creative and destructive forces at play in the cosmos. Its story, spanning billions of years, is a narrative of formation, destruction, and rebirth, a microcosm of the universe's constant flux. This galactic juggernaut embodies both the beauty and the violence of large-scale cosmic evolution, offering an unparalleled laboratory for exploring the mechanics of the universe. At its heart lies a region of unfathomable energy and density. A supermassive black hole, often referred to as the engine of eternity. This gravitational Leviathan does more than consume, it transforms. Gas and dust drawn into its event horizon are either devoured or ejected in powerful relativistic jets, traveling near the speed of light. These outflows heat surrounding gas, preventing new stars from forming and shaping the broader structure of the galaxy. This dark monarch at the galaxy's core is both the creator and the destroyer, continuously influencing the evolution of its host, moving outward from this gravitational abyss. The structure of the galaxy itself stands as a testament to endurance, sometimes romantically termed the stellar palace. It houses trillions of stars, many of which have long outlived their prime. These ancient suns, dimmed and reddened by time, are relics of a distant epoch when the galaxy teemed with star-forming activity. Today, their soft radiance gives the celestial elder its characteristic golden hue, a reminder of its advanced stage of evolution. Beyond this warm glow, an even more elusive component, dark matter, the silent architect of the cosmos. This unseen force envelops the galaxy, providing the gravitational cohesion necessary to maintain its vast structure. The dark halo surrounding the stellar Leviathan extends millions of light years beyond its luminous core, not only holding the galaxy together, but also influencing the entire Abell 2029 cluster. The cluster itself, sometimes described as the arena of giants, is a battlefield of cosmic interactions. Smaller galaxies, drawn toward the universal colossus, spiral into its gravitational grip, stripped of their gas and stars before being absorbed. The remnants of these encounters are scattered throughout the cluster in the form of intracluster light, faint glimmers of stars torn from their original homes. This ghostly veil of Abell 2029 tells a silent story of galactic cannibalism, marking the violent history that has fueled the growth of this enormous system. Adding another layer of intrigue to this environment is the superheated plasma that fills the cluster's vast expanse. This cosmic furnace glows brilliantly in X-rays, revealing the turbulent processes that have shaped Abell 2029 over billions of years. Galactic collisions and mergers continuously churn this high-energy medium, keeping it at extreme temperatures. Paradoxically, this plasma, while binding the cluster together, also signals the end of star formation by preventing gas from cooling enough to condense into new stars. This delicate balance of creation and destruction defines the ecosystem of the stellar sovereign, as astrophysicists continue to probe the depths of this cosmic giant. Its mysteries deepen. Each layer of its structure tells a different part of the story. The gravitational heart pulsing at its core, the ancient stellar palace glowing in quiet grandeur, the vast dark halo dictating its stability, and the luminous trails of lost stars drifting in the cluster's gravitational sea. These interwoven elements remind us that even the most massive structures in the universe are shaped by an intricate dance of forces, stretching across billions of years. Ultimately, this celestial titan stands as one of the greatest testaments to the universe's power, complexity, and endless potential. While it will one day fade into the growing void of an ever-expanding cosmos, its legacy will endure in the knowledge it provides. Their explorations into the nature of galaxies, black holes, and the unseen forces that govern reality itself. As we peer deeper into the stellar abyss of this galactic giant, its past becomes even more compelling. How many galaxies reach its current size? What were the dynamics of those mergers? Astronomers have detected faint tidal streams, remnants of galaxies torn apart, immense gravitational pull offering glimpses into its turbulent history. Each stream, each ripple of starlight, is a chapter in a saga of cosmic dominance, written over eons. Beyond being a relic of the past, this silent titan also holds clues about the universe's future. As the cosmos continues to expand, massive ellipticals like this one provide a vision of what may become of galactic clusters' future. Over billions of years, the Milky Way and its neighbors may merge into a single behemoth, much like this future vision of galactic evolution. This realization lends a personal dimension to the study of this distant Leviathan, linking cosmic home to the broader narrative of time and transformation. Despite its the eternal beacon over unfathomable spans of time, its stars will exhaust their fuel, fading into remnants like white dwarfs and neutron stars. The black hole at its core, once a voracious consumer of matter, will eventually fall silent, emitting only the faintest traces of energy. In the final verse, this once luminous giant will dim into a cold, dark remnant. This inevitable fate, though sobering, is a poignant reminder that even the most colossal structures are transient in the grand design of the cosmos. Yet, for now, the stellar emperor shines on, a marvel of cosmic architecture and a testament to the power of gravity, dark matter, and time. It remains a focal point of human curiosity, pushing the boundaries of astrophysical research. More than just a galaxy, it is a monument to cosmic evolution, a beacon of the universe's ability to create both beauty and complexity on Earth. The eternal colossus of Abel 2029, sometimes called the silent architect of cosmic history, continues to captivate astronomers and philosophers alike. Spanning over 6 million light years, this titan of the cosmos stands as a testament to the scale, complexity, and dynamism of the universe, an artifact of ancient mergers, relentless gravitational dominance, and the steady march of time. At its core lies one of the most enigmatic forces in existence, a supermassive black hole, often referred to as the abyssal monarch. This immense singularity wields a gravitational influence so profound that it dictates not only the fate of its host galaxy, but also the surrounding cluster. Matter spiraling into this void generates torrents of high-energy emissions, transforming the black hole into a beacon at the heart of a slowly aging structure. Yet, this dark sovereign is more than a consumer, it is a shaper of galaxies. As it devours matter, it releases immense radiation and energy, heating surrounding gas in a process known as feedback. This cosmic paradox, where a black hole both suppresses and sustains galactic growth, plays a crucial role in stabilizing the galactic sovereign, ensuring its continued reign over the Abell 2029 cluster. The stars of this timeless titan, often described as the golden relics of the cosmos, are among the oldest in the universe. Glowing in muted shades of yellow and red, they stand as remnants of a bygone era when the galaxy was young and bursting with stellar birth. Now, the stellar tapestry of this celestial Leviathan is woven from aging giants, their fuel nearly spent, their once vibrant light fading into cosmic memory. The lack of cool gas and newborn stars gives the system its signature stillness, a tranquil facade concealing the violent history of its evolution. Encircling this ancient core is the cosmic shroud of intracluster light, a faint, ghostly glow from stars torn from their original galaxies during past mergers. These drifting cosmic vagabonds serve as spectral reminders of the many galactic bodies that were absorbed into the greater whole. By studying this stellar haze, astronomers can retrace the steps of its violent past, deciphering the collisions and mergers that built this celestial empire. Yet, the true scale of the celestial giants becomes evident when considering its dark matter halo, sometimes referred to as the invisible crown of Abell 2029. This vast, unseen structure extends far beyond its luminous core, providing the gravitational foundation necessary for its immense size and stability. More than just a binding force, this dark foundation dictates the motion of thousands of smaller galaxies within the cluster, shaping their interactions and long-term fates. Unraveling the mysteries of this halo is essential to understanding dark matter, one of the universe's most elusive and fundamental components. The Abell 2029 cluster, often described as the cosmic cauldron, is the theater of galactic interactions. Smaller galaxies, unable to resist the gravitational draw of the universal colossus, spiral toward it, stripped of gas and stars before being consumed. Their remnants linger as dim streams of light, forming what astronomers call the ghostly veil of Abell 2029. This diffuse glow is a silent record of galactic cannibalism, a testament to the relentless cycle of mergers that has shaped this enormous system. Adding to its enigmatic nature is the vast ocean of superheated plasma that permeates the cluster, known as the cosmic furnace. This X-ray bright medium, sustained by the turbulence of galactic collisions, serves as both the glue holding the cluster together and a barrier preventing new star formation. Its intense heat keeps interstellar gas from cooling, ensuring that stellar nurseries remain dormant. This delicate balance of creation and destruction defines the changing fate of this stellar sovereign. As astrophysicists continue to probe the depths of this cosmic giant, its mysteries deepen, Every layer of its structure, the gravitational heart, the ancient stellar palace, the cosmic shroud of lost stars, and the vast dark halo reveals a different piece of the puzzle, each one unlocking more secrets of the universe's grand design. One day, as the universe expands ever outward, this celestial titan will stand alone, a silent witness to the passage of cosmic time. Yet even in solitude, it will remain a monument to the forces that sculpt the cosmos. Its presence in the sky serves as a challenge, urging humanity to reach further, to question deeper, and to seek the hidden mechanisms of reality. For now, the stellar emperor continues its reign, offering a window into the distant past, while illuminating the pathways that lead toward the future. As long as its light reaches us, it will remind us of our place in the cosmos and the endless wonders that await discovery. The universal sovereign is not merely a component of its cluster, it governs it. Its immense gravitational pull, amplified by its dark matter halo, dictates the motions of surrounding galaxies, shaping the entire Abell 2029 system. This influence extends for millions of light years, making this colossal galaxy more than just a celestial body. It is the central anchor of a vast cosmic ecosystem. The gravitational interactions it drives ensure the cluster's ongoing evolution, fueling its dynamic and ever-changing structure. Observing this stellar colossus is a study in cosmic history and future potential. Often described as a cosmic time capsule, it holds within its vast expanse a record of nearly the entire history of the universe. Every faint stream of intracluster light, every ripple of dark matter, and every ancient star is a fragment of a grand puzzle, a silent archive chronicling the transformation of the cosmos from its infancy to the present day. This eternal beacon also offers a glimpse into the distant future. As galaxies within the Abell 2029 cluster continue to merge and evolve, this Leviathan will likely grow even larger, absorbing more matter and further consolidating its dominance. Over time, as the universe expands, this cosmic monarch will become isolated, trapped in an ever-growing void. Trillions of years from now, its stars will fade, leaving behind only remnants, a cold, dark relic of a universe once filled with brilliance. For now, however, this universal titan remains a masterpiece of cosmic engineering, a living testament to forces that shape the largest structures in existence. It challenges us to think beyond the limits of human experience, to grasp the vastness of the universe and the mysteries it holds. Every new insight into this galactic colossus brings us closer to broader workings of the cosmos. This silent titan of the cosmos, sometimes referred to as the galactic monarch of eternity, looms as an enduring enigma, a celestial fortress whose grandeur surpasses even the wildest of cosmic explorers. Its invasion, stirring secrets hidden within its colossal structure. Million light. This stellar Leviathan exists on a scale that defies conventional understanding. To grasp its enormity is to confront the unfathomable. It could engulf thousands of galaxies, the size of the Milky Way. How did this cosmic colossus attain such magnitude? Its origins are rooted in galactic collisions, mergers, relentless cannibalism, a testament to a universe in perpetual motion, where creation is a scale dot at its heart. The Abyssal Emperor, a supermassive, unimaginable mass, reigns over this galactic dominion, estimated to be billion times the mass of the Sun. This dark heart influences not only its host galaxy, but the 2029 cluster. Sometimes called the cosmic maelstrom, this singularity devours matter with insatiable hunching violent jets of energy that cut through space like cosmic spears. Paradoxically, it suppresses star formation, ensuring that this ancient structure remains tranquil, undisturbed by the chaos it once fed upon. Its core, often described as the Golden Throne, is a dense concentration of ancient, their once brilliant light softened by the passage of billions of years. These stellar relics, clustered tightly in the central regions, form a radiant hub of golden hues. The absence of young, blue stars in this stellar mausoleum signals the long-dormant era of star formation. Yet, though this galaxy has aged, its influence endures, a silent architect in the grand theatre of galactic evolution. Encircling the stellar monarch is its ethereal halo, a region known as the Veil of Lost Galaxies. This vast expanse of faintly glowing light consists of intracluster stars, cosmic orphans stripped from their homes during past mergers, drifting aimlessly through the void. These unbound stars remain within the gravitational grasp of the cluster, their ghostly luminescence, detectable only with the most sensitive instrument, serves as a haunting reminder of the violent history that sculpted this great cosmic entity over billions of years. Yet, the visible components of this galaxy, as immense as they are, tell only part of the story. Encasing the timeless sovereign is a dark matter halo, an unseen force that provides the structural foundation for its staggering size. This shadow crown extends far beyond its luminous boundaries, shaping not just its own fate, but that of the entire Abell 2029 cluster. Without this hidden framework, the gravity needed to bind such an immense structure together would not exist. Understanding this dark halo is key to unlocking the deeper mechanics governing the universe. The environment surrounding this eternal colossus is as fascinating as the galaxy itself. The Abell 2029 cluster, sometimes described as the cosmic battleground, is a dense region of space teeming with smaller galaxies, each navigating the gravitational currents of the colossal system. Over billions of years, these galaxies have been drawn toward the cluster's center, stripped of their gas and stars before becoming part of the expanding mass of the dominant galaxy. This cosmic furnace glows in X-rays, illuminating the ongoing high-energy processes that shape the cluster's structure. The interplay between this stellar overlord and its environment is an active and evolving process. As it continues its reign, smaller galaxies succumb to its gravitational pull, their material merging with the expanding mass of the colossus. This relentless cycle ensures that the galaxy will only grow larger, solidifying its status as the ultimate galactic predator. Yet, paradoxically, even as it consumes, it stabilizes, anchoring the cluster and preventing its galaxies from drifting into the cosmic abyss. Still, Titan is a lesson in cosmic fragility. The light we observe from this galaxy today is a message from hundreds of millions of years into a past, both distant and or inspired. Celestial time and space, connecting the present to the earliest epochs of the universe and offering a glimpse into its eventual fate. The story of this galactic sovereign is ultimately the story of the universe itself, a saga of relentless expansion, transformation, and survival. It stands as a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie within us, urging us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the mysteries hidden in the depths of space. The cosmic monarch of eternity, often regarded as the eternal ruler of galactic evolution, remains both a scientific enigma and a philosophical wonder. More than just an object of study, this stellar juggernaut of Virgo continues to intrigue those who seek answers about existence, time, and the ultimate fate of the universe. This celestial Leviathan is not merely a relic of the past, it is a silent storyteller, a relic of creation whispering tales from the dawn of time. The gravitational sovereign at the heart of this immense galaxy is a force beyond human comprehension, one of the largest supermassive black holes ever detected. It serves as the galaxy's central engine, consuming matter that ventures too close while unleashing immense energy. The X-ray emissions from its accretion disk reveal the staggering temperatures and chaotic forces at play within this cosmic abyss. These are not merely echoes of destruction, they are windows into the deepest laws of the universe, offering astronomers invaluable insights into the nature of spacetime, gravity, and energy. Yet, the influence of this dark core extends far beyond its immediate vicinity. The energy released from the black hole radiates outward, heating gas within both the galaxy and the surrounding Bell 2029 cluster. This process, known as active galactic nucleus feedback, prevents the cooling of gas that would otherwise fuel new star formation. In this way, the cosmic maelstrom shapes the galaxy's future, halting stellar birth while ensuring its continued existence as an ancient, colossal structure. This paradox where destruction sustains longevity lies at the heart of the galaxy's evolution. As the universe expands, galaxies like this one will drift into isolation, their once thriving clusters stretching into the cosmic abyss. Trillions of years from now, the stars within this behemoth will fade, leaving behind only remnants: white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The supermassive black hole at its core, once a voracious consumer, will eventually fall silent, emitting only faint whispers of radiation as it slowly evaporates over eons. Yet, for now, this universal titan shines on, its light traversing the vast cosmic expanse, a testament to the forces that shape the grandest structures in existence. It is a monument to cosmic evolution, a beacon of the universe's ability to craft beauty and complexity on unimaginable scales. The stellar cathedral of this galactic colossus is a testament to the vast forces that have shaped it over billions of years. Within its core, some of the oldest stars in existence remain as relics of a time when this galaxy was young, filled with the raw material of creation. Now, these ancient suns cluster together in a dense, golden-hued mass, their light softened by eons of cosmic evolution. Subtle fluctuations in their brightness and motion reveal traces of past mergers, the gravitational echoes of long-lost galaxies, now absorbed into this immense structure. Beyond its visible expanse, a ghostly veil stretches into the darkness, a shroud of lost galaxies, composed of stars that were stripped from their original homes during past encounters. No longer tethered to any single system, these celestial wanderers drift through the vastness of the cluster, forming what astronomers call intracluster light. This faint, ethereal glow is more than just a remnant of destruction. It is a silent archive of the violent interactions that have defined this galaxy's relentless expansion. Encasing this behemoth is a dark matter halo, an unseen but all-encompassing scaffold of gravity that extends well beyond its luminous boundaries. Without this invisible framework, the galaxy's immense size and structure would be impossible. Its stars and gas would simply drift apart into the void. This dark foundation not only anchors the galaxy, but also shapes the motion of thousands of smaller galaxies within its cluster. Understanding this vast, hidden component remains one of the greatest challenges in modern astrophysics, as it may hold the key to unraveling the true nature of the cosmos itself. The surrounding cluster is a dynamic battlefield where galaxies are drawn toward the gravitational might of this cosmic predator, stripped of their material and ultimately consumed. These encounters fuel a superheated sea of plasma, a reservoir of X-ray emitting energy that illuminates the structure of the cluster. This fiery medium, sustained by eons of galactic collisions and black hole activity, reveals the turbulent processes that govern the long-term evolution of this region. Yet, despite its apparent stability, it is not immutable. Every faint stream of light, every displaced star, every trail of cosmic debris whispers of past destruction of smaller galaxies torn apart, their material absorbed, their identities lost within the ever-growing expanse of this celestial Leviathan. It is both a relic of the past and a force that continues to shape the fabric of the cosmos itself. As the universe expands, this galactic titan will eventually become an isolated island of light, drifting alone in an increasingly dark and empty void. Over trillions of years, the last of its stars will fade, leaving behind only remnants: white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Its supermassive black hole, once a ravenous force of gravity, will grow silent, emitting only faint whispers of energy as it slowly decays. For now, though, this celestial monarch endures, its light reaching us across hundreds of millions of light years, a beacon illuminating the depths of time and space. It stands as a monument to the invisible forces that shape the universe, reminder of the boundless creativity of the cosmos and a challenge to our understanding of galactic evolution. This timeless titan inspires profound questions. How did the universe come to be? What forces dictate its fate? What role do galaxies like this play in the grander scheme of cosmic history? Every photon of light that reaches us from this immense structure carries the echoes of an ancient past, urging us to look beyond the limits of human understanding, more than just a galaxy. This stellar colossus is a symbol of cosmic endurance, a testament to the grand scale of time, space, and gravitational power. It is not merely an object of study, but a celestial storyteller, whispering tales of creation, destruction, and the relentless march of time. Beyond its visible structure lies a ghostly veil of intracluster light, a diffuse, ethereal glow from countless stars that were stripped from their parent galaxies and set adrift within the Abell 2029 cluster. These orphan stars, no longer bound to any singular home, drift in the vast sea of gravitational currents, silent witnesses to the cosmic battles of creation and destruction. Their faint light is a whisper of past turmoil, a quiet testament to the violent history of mergers and interactions, this stellar colossus into the behemoth it is today, enclosing this empire of stars, is its invisible throne, a dark matter halo that defines its true scale and gravitational might. This unseen framework, composed of enigmatic particles, yet to be fully understood, foundation upon which this galaxy's dominance rests, extending well beyond its luminous core. This massive halo anchors the entire Abell 2029 cluster, influencing the orbits of thousands of smaller galaxies and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of this vast cosmic system. The surrounding cluster, often referred to as a cosmic furnace, is a realm of high-energy interactions where galaxies collide, evolve, and ultimately succumb to the relentless pull of gravitational forces. At its core, a vast reservoir of superheated plasma glows in X-ray wavelengths, a fiery consequence of the gas stripped from falling galaxies. This cosmic fire, fueled by the remnants of stellar explosions and galactic collisions, enriches the intracluster medium, forging new elements and reshaping the environment in a never-ending cycle of transformation. Yet, even as it reigns over the cluster, this celestial monarch is not immune to the relentless expansion of the universe. As dark energy accelerates the stretching of spacetime, galaxy clusters will drift ever further apart, their ancient light fading into the abyss. In the distant future, I see 1101 will become an isolated beacon in an empty universe, disconnected from all but the stars, trapped within its gravitational embrace. Over trillions of years, its brilliance will wane, its stars will wither into white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes, and its once mighty core will grow silent. Even its dark sovereign, the supermassive black hole that once shaped its destiny, will not last forever. Over unimaginable billions, it will slowly evaporate through the quiet process of Hawking radiation, disappearing into the void. The immortal sentinel, once the heart of an empire spanning millions of light years, will fade into a shadow of its former self, a cold, dark monument to an era long past. Yet, the story of this cosmic time is not one of mere decline, but of endurance and transformation. Every collision, every merger, every upheaval that led to its formation is etched into the larger history of the universe itself. The galaxies it consumed, the elements it spread, the stars it nurtured all have played a role in shaping the cosmos. For humanity, I see 1101 is more than an astronomical curiosity. It is a mirror to our own existence. It humbles us, reminding us that our time in the cosmos is but a fleeting moment against the backdrop of eternity. Yet, it also inspires us, driving us to seek, to wonder, to push the limits of our understanding. Its golden glow carries whispers From the past, its massive halo binds together an entire cluster, and its central abyss hints at the deepest mysteries of spacetime itself. As scientists peer ever deeper into its ancient light, they uncover not just the story of a galaxy, but the story of the universe itself. IC 1101, the timeless sovereign of the stars, is more than just a remnant of the past. It is a beacon guiding us toward the future, illuminating the cosmic pathways we have yet to explore, even as its final fate is sealed. This eternal colossus leaves behind a legacy written in the very fabric of space and time. It reminds us that even the grandest structures are impermanent, that the universe is in a constant state of flux, and that within that impermanence lies an unparalleled beauty, a beauty that compels us to explore, to question, and to embrace. The infinite possibilities of the cosmos. The story of this cosmic titan is not just the story of a galaxy, it is our story as well. In its unfathomable scale and incomprehensible history, we find both awe and belonging. It stands as a testament to the forces that shape existence, to the relentless march of time, and to the delicate balance between creation and destruction, entrance and transformation. And in that realization, we glimpse a fundamental truth. In the vast expanse of space and time, we are all part of something far greater than ourselves. IC 1101, a colossal elliptical galaxy in the Virgo constellation, ranks among the largest known in the universe. Its immense diameter exceeds 6 million light-years, dwarfing the Milky Way, which spans approximately 100,000 light-years. Located at the core of the Abell 2029 galaxy cluster, this cosmic behemoth stands out due to its and uniqueness. At its center lies a supermassive black hole, estimated to exceed 40 billion solar masses, exerting a profound influence on its structure and the surrounding cosmic environment. This titan of the cosmos is classified as a cannibal galaxy, having merged with numerous smaller systems over billions of years. These relentless mergers have shaped its elliptical form and led to the near cessation of star formation. Most of its stellar population is over 10 billion years old, giving the system a distinct yellowish hue. The absence of cold gas prevents new stars from forming, while its hot ionized material emits X-rays detectable by space observatories such as Chandra and XMM Newton. The massive halo surrounding this galactic colossus extends well beyond its visible boundaries, composed of stars, gas, and dark matter. It also contains intracluster light, a faint glow produced by stars ejected during past collisions. These remnants serve as a testament to the violent interactions that have shaped this celestial Leviathan over cosmic time, ensuring its continued evolution within the vast Abell 2029 cluster. The study of this stellar giant and its counter provides invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies on a grand scale. As one of the most massive and luminous systems in the observable universe, it challenges our understanding of galactic growth. The role of environment, dark matter, and supermassive black holes in shaping such extraordinary structures remains a central focus of contemporary astrophysics, often referred to as the Titan of Galaxies. This ancient behemoth continues to inspire awe, prompting further exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos. Situated in the dense environment of the Abell 2029 cluster, this colossal system serves as a natural laboratory for studying the interplay between galaxies and their surroundings. The cluster's intracluster medium, a hot, X-ray emitting plasma, interacts with the giant elliptical, influencing its evolution and that of its satellite galaxies. Gas stripped from smaller neighbors through ram pressure interactions enriches the medium, contributing to the overall complexity of the system. These processes highlight the dynamic nature of galaxy clusters, where gravitational forces and high-energy phenomena shape the universe on vast scales. Beyond its scientific significance, this cosmic monarch serves as a reminder of the diversity and scale of the universe. Its immense size, brilliance, and central location within the Abell 2029 cluster make it a prominent cosmic landmark, a beacon of light visible across hundreds of millions of light years. Observing this galactic titan provides a glimpse into the distant past, offering insights into the intricate interplay of forces that have shaped the cosmos. As research progresses, this ancient colossus and its annals are vital to our quest for understanding the universe, offering a window into its boundless possibilities. The giant elliptical of Abell 2029 continues to intrigue astronomers with its sheer scale and complex history. This celestial titan, alternatively called the Abell 2029 core galaxy, stands as a testament to the immense forces at play in the universe. Measuring over 6 million light-years across, it dominates its galactic cluster in both size and influence, earning titles such as the Colossus of Virgo in astronomical discussions. This supergiant has undergone countless mergers, consuming smaller galaxies in a process that has shaped its current structure. Each interaction has added stars and gas, further enriching the galactic core. This relentless process, known as galactic cannibalism, underscores the dynamic interactions within dense cosmic environments. At its heart lies a supermassive black hole of extraordinary proportions, sometimes referred to as the gravitational anchor of Abell 2029, with a mass surpassing 40 billion suns. It is among the largest ever detected, governing the motions of stars and gas within the galaxy, while exerting influence on the broader cluster environment. The intense gravitational field of this singularity contributes to the galaxy's luminous core, radiating across vast distances, earning it epithets such as the light beacon of Virgo. The stellar population of this ancient colossus is predominantly old and yellowish, characteristic of elliptical galaxies. Most stars within this vast system exceed 10 billion years in age, marking a galaxy that has long since exhausted its supply of cold gas necessary for star formation. Instead, the stellar graveyard of Abell 2029 glows faintly with a golden hue, a visual indicator of its advanced evolutionary stage. Surrounding this interstellar monarch is a vast halo of dark matter and interstellar material, often termed the cosmic veil of Abell 2029, extending far beyond its visible boundaries. This halo influences the cluster's gravitational dynamics. Within it, intracluster light, a faint glow from stars stripped from their original galaxies, adds an ethereal quality to the region. These orphan stars, drifting through the intergalactic sea, serve as evidence of the violent history of galactic interactions that have defined the Abell 2029 monarch. The surrounding environment of this galactic elder is rich with X-ray emissions, a consequence of the hot plasma filling the Abell 2029 cluster. These high-energy phenomena, observable by Chandra and XMM Newton, reveal the turbulent conditions within the X-ray furnace of this dense system. Interactions with the cluster's tidal forces strip gas from smaller galaxies, enriching the intracluster medium and fueling the ongoing evolution of this cosmic giant. Studying this luminous elder of the universe provides unparalleled insights into galaxy formation and evolution. As one of the largest known galactic structures, it serves as a crucial subject for exploring extreme cosmic phenomena. The role of supermassive black holes, dark matter, and galactic mergers in shaping such immense systems remains a fundamental question in astrophysics, with the clusters of Abell 2029 offering valuable clues. Despite its age and apparent dormancy in star formation, this golden Leviathan continues to exert significant influence on its surroundings. Its gravitational pull dictates the movements of satellite galaxies and contributes to the broader dynamics of the Abell 2029 cluster. As the gravitational heart of Virgo, this giant exemplifies the scale and power of cosmic structures, a reminder of the vast forces governing the universe. This eternal sentinel of the Virgo supercluster, sometimes referred to as the cosmic giant, stands as a silent witness to nearly the entire history of the universe. With an unfathomable size, this ancient behemoth has absorbed and consumed countless smaller galaxies, preserving a vast record of cosmic evolution within its structure. At its core lies a supermassive black hole of unimaginable scale, often described as the Abyssal King or the Dark Heart of Abell 2029. With a mass exceeding 40 billion suns, its gravitational pull is so intense that even light struggles to escape. The energy released by matter spiraling into this behemoth generates a luminous halo of X-rays, an eerie beacon that signals its presence across intergalactic space. This singularity, the cosmic anchor, dictates the structure of its host galaxy, binding stars and dark matter in an unending gravitational dance. The luminous behemoth stands as a monument to galactic cannibalism, a relentless cosmic predator. Over billions of years, it has consumed not just a few, but potentially thousands of smaller galaxies, merging their stars, gas, and dark matter into its sprawling form. These ancient collisions, some violent and others gradual, have left imprints across its vast halo, a graveyard of shattered galactic identities. Each merger has been a step toward its immense scale, making it one of the largest galaxies ever observed. Often described as the universal apex, it represents the ultimate fate of many evolving galaxies. Despite its outward stillness, this silent monarch is far from dormant. While its visible light radiates a golden hue, a testament to its aging stellar population, its hidden layers remain active. X-ray telescopes reveal a sea of hot plasma permeating the intracluster medium, a cauldron of gas stripped from neighboring galaxies via gravitational interactions. This invisible fire glows in high-energy wavelengths, exposing the turbulent forces shaping the Abell 2029 cluster. The galaxy's cosmic shroud, an immense halo extending beyond its core, envelops countless orphan stars. These unbound celestial wanderers drift aimlessly through the cluster, their faint collective glow known as intracluster light preserving the story of ancient galactic violence and ongoing cosmic evolution. Here, in the interplay of light and shadow, lie countless mergers, some unfolding over millions of years, others in cataclysmic bursts. Yet, it is not only its scale that makes this stellar colossus remarkable, it challenges fundamental understandings of the universe itself. How did such a massive structure form? What are the limits of galactic growth? These unanswered questions push astronomers to look deeper into the void, searching for clues within the glow of this cosmic elder. Its existence serves that, despite its apparent stillness, the universe is an ever-evolving place of energy, motion, and transformation. The role of dark matter in shaping this cosmic sovereign cannot be overstated. Without this enigmatic, unseen force, its vast mass would not remain intact. Scientists theorize that this dark empire of the cosmos is encased in a titanic dark matter halo, stretching far beyond its luminous boundaries. This invisible structure not only binds its stars together, but also dictates the motion of galaxies within the Abell 2029 cluster. Studying dark matter in such a monumental system provides essential insights into the forces that govern the universe on the largest scales. Perhaps most hauntingly, this eternal giant offers a glimpse into the ultimate fate of galaxies like our own. Over billions of years, as galaxies collide and merge, they gradually lose their distinct forms, their spirals fading into smooth, featureless ellipses filled with aging stars. In this way, the time-Leviathan surger of cosmic inevitability, offering a vision of what the Milky Way and its neighbors may one day become. Yet, despite its dominance, even this galactic juggernaut is not eternal. The universe's expansion will eventually isolate it, as neighboring galaxies recede beyond the observable horizon. Trapped in an ever-growing void, this universal colossus will gradually dim, its stars burning out, leaving behind a cold, dark remnant. But for now, it remains a beacon of knowledge, a living relic of the universe's tumultuous past, the ancient monarch of Abell 2029. One of the grandest elliptical galaxies ever discovered, is more than a single entity. It is a microcosm of cosmic history, every star within its vast expanse, every faint whisper of gas, every drifting shadow of dark matter holds a story spanning billions of years. This stellar labyrinth challenges our perceptions of time and space, inviting us to unravel its secrets, while reminding us of the universe's boundless complexity. The sheer magnitude of this galactic behemoth, sometimes called the infinite tapestry of Virgo, places it in a class of its own, spanning over 6 million light-years in diameter. It could only have formed in one of the densest and oldest galactic environments. The Abell 2029 cluster, a gravitational cauldron housing thousands of galaxies, provided the ideal conditions for such a titan to emerge. Often referred to as the cosmic overlord, this dominant force at the cluster's core sculpts the motions of stars, gas, and galaxies across millions of light-years. At its center lies its most mysterious and formidable feature, a supermassive black hole of unimaginable scale, sometimes called the cosmic abyss. This gravitational Leviathan is not merely a point of intense mass, it is a dynamic engine, consuming matter and unleashing vast amounts of energy through radiation and relativistic jets. These jets, stretching for hundreds of thousands of light-years, act as cosmic lighthouses, visible across intergalactic distances. They also reshape the surrounding environment, heating nearby gas